Welcome back to our online access video tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set an exchange rate alert for a currency you wish to buy or sell. The first thing to do is make sure you're logged in, which you can check by looking at the top right corner of the screen. The rate alert feature can be found at the bottom of the gray menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can view or cancel any existing exchange rate alerts you may have set. Alerts can be edited by selecting the pencil icon next to it, or canceled by clicking the trash bin icon next to the pencil. Selecting the edit icon will take you to the rate alert, where you can then change the currencies you've been monitoring, the rate you want to set, and the way in which you wish to be notified, either an SMS text message or via email. Click Set Rate to save your new preferences, or you can use your browser's back button to return to viewing your existing rate alerts. Creating a new rate alert can be done in either one of two ways. The first is by selecting the blue Set a New Alert button, or by selecting Set an Alert from the gray menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, you will select the type of currency you are looking to sell, the type of currency you are looking to buy, and your desired exchange rate. Choose the way in which you would like us to notify you when your rate is reached, and select the green Set Rate button to save the alert. Once completed, a confirmation window will open to let you know the alert has been created, and now you'll see the newly created alert along with all your other existing ones. And that's it for this video on how to view, cancel, and set a new exchange rate alert.